मत पूछो।
Then why are you looking at me?
Sorry.
Hey mister, do you have any problem?
Yeah, I have a headache in my stomach and I have a fever and I have a cold and
What's in your guitar case?
I can't tell you.
Why? Is it something personal?
Yeah, it is personal. See, this is purse and this is null.
जवाब दुरुस्त है। वाटर कूलर आपका हुआ। सलीम, इनको इनका इनाम दो।
So, you think you are a smart guy?
No, I think I'm a tough guy.
Oh, he thinks he's a tough guy. So, Mr. Tough Guy, let's play! Show your cards.
See, I told you I'm a tough guy.
We believe you. Here's your prize. A ticket for Titanic.
Titanic? No. I can't go to Titanic.
Why?
Because it's bad for my health.
No, now you have won. You have to go.
No way.
There is a way.
ओ नहीं ओ भाई साहब प्लीज देखिए मैं नहीं समझे ना प्लीज मैं टाइटैनिक पे नहीं जा सकती हूँ आप क्यों नहीं समझते हैं प्लीज समझने की कोशिश तो कर वो डूब जाएगा वो मुझे तैरना भी नहीं आता प्रॉमिस मैं टाइटैनिक पे नहीं जा सकती हूँ नहीं
देखें बाजी आपको जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपने टिकट जीत लिया है।
Why everyone is crying?
और तुमने टाइटैनिक अच्छे प्रिंट में नहीं देखी और ये जहाज आगे जाके डूब जाएगा
Yes, sir. We are shifting the world's most obnoxiously ridiculous criminals in Titanic.
नहीं सर हमने कौन एयर से चीटिंग नहीं की कौन एयर में तो है ना वो हवाई जहाज में ले जाते हैं हम लोग तो पानी के जहाज में ले जा रहे हैं
Yes, sir. I can give you the list and the details. Robert Marlowe. He is the biggest killer of all time. He is the biggest killer of all time. He is even bigger than Titanic. As you can see, he can't fit in Titanic, so we are not shifting him. Here's another, Richard Qureshi. He's not a criminal, but he is the same as Robert Marlowe, and he is small in size too, so we are taking him as Robert Marlowe. Mr. Wiki, he is the only copywriter of our country. He copies famous English songs in our language with different names like Mulka Badshah. He is a drug dealer. His name is drug dealer. Professionally, he is a killer. He killed his father, his mother, his brother, his taiki sali, even his dog. So he is here because he killed his dog. He is a very dangerous. I can't tell you about him. The sky is the limit. You can think about him. And she's a nobody.
What you're trying to do? Trying to swim?
Trying to die.
Die? Why do you want to die?
Because I don't like my mandator.
You don't like your mangator? That sounds interesting. Maybe I have a chance.
What?
Nothing. I was thinking about my mother. Anyway, what's your name?
Rose.
Rose. No. What is your real name?
Gulabdin.
I think Rose was fine.
What's your name?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh, your name sounds like some pazzo. Thanks for saving my shoes.
Oh, no problemo, Rose. It's my job.
Saving shoes is your job?
No, helping people is my job.
Oh, Leonardo. I think I love you.
I want to teach you something.
What?
Come here. Oh, how disgusting. Try it. Come on, try it. Oh, not here, over there in the water. Come on, try it.
Oh, ये कौन तू करते हैं खाना नहाने में नहीं जाते?
Oh, so sorry, Mister.
Oh, Gulabdin, किधर है?
What are you doing over here?
Oh, meet my papa. He wants me to marry my mangetar. Papa, meet my shoe saver.
You are invited to the dinner with us tonight. What's your name?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Sounds like a...
चुप गए बैठो, बात नहीं निकली तुम्हारी। बात नहीं आती।
एक बारी की बात समझ नहीं आती है?
वैसे मैं भी नोट कर रहा था कि लाइफ बोटे कुछ कम है, लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि हम तो खानदानी लोग हैं, हमें तो मिल ही जाएगी।
Excuse me.
What?
Who are these people?
These are criminals. You tell me. Who are you?
I'm Leonardo DiCaprio.
Your name sounds like a soap.
I know. One guy killed my brother. I'm searching for him. I know he's on the ship. He looks a lot like you. चलता भी तुम्हारी तरह है, बात भी तुम्हारी तरह करता है. And the most amazing thing, his name is also Bujo.
Oh, I think it's the best time to get rid of my mangetar. Leonardo, यही है जिसने तुम्हारे बाप का कत्ल किया है.
Everybody freeze! This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Conair.
Sir, we have a problem, huh?
If you have any problem, you can jump out of the ship.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, there's an iceberg.
That's what I was trying to tell you, sir.
Hello, Captain. We have a problem. If you have any problem, you can jump out of the ship. अबे क्या iceberg में मारेगा? मोड़ जा, मोड़.
Welcome to Conair.
अबे ओए,
We are listening to this since last 15 minutes. Do you have any other thing to say?
You have to listen to it for 15 minutes more.
Welcome to Conair. Welcome to Conair. Welcome to Conair. Welcome to Conair.
Captain, the iceberg is right in front of us.
How many boats we have?
Sir, we have 15 boats and about 30 passengers. That means half of the passengers on this boat are going to die.
what should we do now, sir?
Run as fast as you can.
I brought something for you.
What? Oh, how cute. Where did you get this from?
I bought it for you.
किसी ने मेरा बन्नी तो नहीं देखा. बिल्कुल ऐसा था. जिसको मिले डिब्बे में रख दे. Put the bunny back in the box.
Leonardo, it's so sweet of you.
Welcome.
What happened?
ये आइसबर्ग से टकरा गया जरूर. अरे मैं तो पहले ही कहती थी टाइटैनिक मनुष्य है, मुझे नहीं जाना उस पे, मगर उन 4 मनुष्यों ने मुझे जबरदस्ती चढ़ा दिया. अरे अब मैं क्या करूं, कहाँ जाऊं? मुझे तो तैरना भी नहीं आता.
I know how to swim.
वादा करो तुम मेरी मदद करोगे. देखो भाई नहीं हो, प्लीज.
Promise.
मुझे पता था तुम मेरी जरूर मदद करोगे. लेट्स गो.
अबे चुप करके बैठ जा.
अब्बा जी.
You can't move from here with this girl.
Nobody is allowed a gun on this ship.
Then why are you holding this gun?
This is not a gun. This is a thermos.
See, this is not a sea. This is the ocean.
You have a corny sense of humor.
Then eat it.
मुझे छोड़ के बार-बार. Gulabdi, I want to ask you for the last time.
What?
खुदा के लिए बता मुझे मरना नहीं है. मुझे अभी कोई मरने का चाव नहीं है. दूसरे लड़की के साथ चला जा, लेकिन मुझे बता ले.
पापा कितने खुदगर्ज हैं आप. सारा प्रोग्राम खत्म हो रहा है, सब लोग मर रहे हैं और आपको अपनी जान की फिक्र है. अभी 15 मिनट में सारा प्रोग्राम खत्म हो जाएगा। मेरा मतलब है शिप डूब जाएगा। फिर आप क्या करेंगे? क्या 15 मिनट में शिप डूब जाएगा? ओह, अब क्या करें? लियोनार्डो प्लीज शिप डूबने से पहले वो गाना सुनाओ ना जो तुम हर दफा शिप डूबने पर सुनाते हो।
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Far across the distance, the spaces between us, you come to show you.
और गाना बंद करो ओए, और जहाज डूब रहा है। मैं क्यों इतना भीगा हूँ और तू क्यों नहीं भीगा हुआ? क्योंकि मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता। अच्छा,
ओए कैमरा सीधा करो।
That is fine. सीधा खड़ा हो जा, कैमरा सीधा हो जा।
बचाओ 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 Rose, you can marry your fiancé. तुम चाहे याद ना करना मुझे, कोई बात नहीं, तुम उससे शादी कर लेना। रोज, मैं मरने जा रही हूँ।
ओके।
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I love you more on.
लियोनार्डो, लगता मर गई। सर्दी बहुत है ना, कहा था अपना स्वेटर लेके आओ। चलो खैर है, चल चल पीछे हो जा। अब सोऊंगा पूरे तख्ते पे, नींद बड़ी अच्छी आती है इसकी। ओह,
What are you doing here, Gulabdi?
मी सॉरी।
गुलाबदीन किधर है? वो किधर है गुलाबदीन?
Gulabdi,
What are you doing over here?
क्या बोले?
गुलाबदीन किधर है? वो किधर है गुलाबदीन?
Gulabdi, what are you doing? मेरी ऐसे नहीं रुक रही।
और ये गुलाबदीन किधर मर गया है?
Gulabdi, what are you doing? मुझे लगा तू हंस गया। नहीं, कसम से दुआ में से आ गया था।
गुलाबदीन किधर मर जाता है तू बार बार?
गुलाबदी, मुझे माफ कर दो।
व्हाट?
मैं चुप करके बैठ जा।
Good.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Sounds like a soup.
इसमें कहना चल गुलाब चले। He wants me to marry my mangator. Papa, meet my lifesaver.
Shoe saver.
Hey, mister, do you have any problem?
No, I think I'm a tough guy.
Oh, she thinks so.
रोलेश